Okay, today I wanted to show you how to fix the housing of a JBL Charge 4. I found this thing at work. It was broken. Nobody wanted it. It was going to get thrown into the trash. Somebody got mad because it didn't work anymore, so they threw it in the ground. It broke the housing all up into different pieces. I didn't show earlier what I did, but I used a Weller soldering iron to fix this with just your basic, I don't know, I have Office Max staples to melt into the plastic to fix the pieces that were broken off. Here are the locations I already put staples into. You can see them, they're about right there, 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 and there. And it pretty much tacked this whole piece of plastic that was broken right out of there, right back in place. And it is super sturdy now after melting just staples right into its to attach. This piece here was busted right here, melted a few here, that location, and tacked that back together. Over here, this was all cracked up and through here. So yeah, I just put them in different locations and just melted them right on through the plastic. You see there's little staples coming out the other end. And man, that is really secure, man. You don't even have to do nothing else. Just melt them right down into the plastic and it works great.